Okay, so.
Blinking.
Is anybody getting a picture of all you guys?
Happy birthday,
Okay, can I get through here?
You sure can.
We'll just have to edit that part out.
Hi, baby. Can I help you?
Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
You help her blow it out?
What is going on?
Make a wish, Libby.
Oh, sweetheart.
Blow harder.
Get closer. There.
Good job. Okay. You ready?
Of course, my
Here you
phone
go.
died.
Oh,
Eat it.
dig in.
Eat it.
There we go.
Eat it.
Same way you did, Bella, when you were one.
Except then Bella sat in it.
Yeah.
I remember that.
She was real leery though.
Yeah,
we
she
were at the
did.
lake and she was real.
Get it, Libby.
Can you eat
You
it?
want to get dirty.
Look. Here.
Yeah. Yummy.
She's like, oh my
Is that
goodness.
You guys are all gonna watch me.
Okay. Well, let's
Oh,
go eat our
man.
cakes.
No, we're gonna let her mess with it.
Eat it. I'll eat my cake. She's like,
Get dirty.
She's playing with it way more than Bella was.
Really?
She's like,
Oh yeah, Bella wouldn't even touch
She
it.
didn't wanna
Like
get
we really
dirty.
tried to put her hand in it, and
She
she
would
was
be
like,
Really? Oh my goodness.
She's like,
"Yeah, is that
she's like, what is this thing?
fun? Is that
Why is it
fun?
so yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah, she figured it out.
Like, what is this?
Yeah, that's
She's
yummy.
like, what is this thing?
Can you come
Why
back here
is it
with
so
me, please?
yummy? She wants
Are you a mess?
She likes the peanut.
Olivia, are you eating your cake?
I always think Libby.
Yay!
Eat it. Don't play with it.
Oh man.
What are Olivia? Yuck. Yuck.
She'll clean up.
She's not even eating it.
She will. She'll learn.
Maybe she needs to.
Yeah.
Mommy, maybe you need to cut it for her.
Okay, she's
Do
not
an idea
making
what's
a mess on
inside.
her shirt.
Libby, look.
Maybe eat it.
Or you can
No, you stay back.
There you go.
Can you eat it? Eat it. It's yummy. Yeah, it's fun, but it's yummy too.
Oh my gosh.
It's yummy. Yummy.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. I'm so glad I got that.
Yeah, she has some on her
Yes.
nose.
That was all a
Getting better
video.
ones land.
Yeah, my phone died. I was doing both, you know, at the same time. But...
Is
So
it
now you
yummy?
can get prints.
Oh yeah.
Good.
She has yellow and
Then, you know, I take all these on my
What,
phone
she
and I
has
do
yellow
nothing
and
with
Is
it.
that yummy, Olivia?
Mom, she has
Send them to your email and print them.
Like I know how to do that.
Is it yummy?
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty
You can make a CD or something.
Whoa!
Well, you know what? My
Wonderful, honey.
no M&M's.
Let me see that.
My parents gonna have you look at my glasses.
You are adorable.
I went to put a cartridge in my printer. I cannot figure out how to do
Libby,
it.
can you eat it?
They were so easy.
Eat it. Yummy. Well, there went the bib. She just went.
She got me a cake and it was just.
But She's,
I cannot.
I'm gonna try to get her.
so I
But
can't print it in my house.
look, this is yummy. Try this.
eat it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Get some
Yeah, that's
frosting
one
on
good
it.
bite.
That's the frosting too.
No.
I
Is it yummy?
think she wants the frosting more than the cake. It's the frosting, not the cake. Okay. I think she just wants to play with it.
Oh, you don't have your camera?
Cut it. Then she'll
Are It's got a little bit of